depend on only partial fractions. Depend on 2A paper chapter, partial fractions. Last step is only the integration. Up to last step, total problem is a partial fractions problem. Last step is the integration. Listen all of you. Suppose f of x by g of x. Suppose g of x has linear factors. Linear factors means x term and constant. X term and constant. It is called a linear factor. Like this one, 2x minus 3, 4x plus 10, x minus 5, and etc. Second point, suppose g of x has a repeated linear. It is also linear, but also repeated. For example, 2x minus 3 whole square, x minus 5 whole cube. This is a linear factor. This is also a linear factor. This is a linear factor. This is also a linear factor. But what is the difference between these two? This is the non-repeated linear factor. This is the repeated linear, 2 times repeated. So this is called repeated linear. So suppose given g of x like x minus 2x minus 3, x minus 5, x plus 1 corresponding to every linear factor, there exists a partial fraction a x plus b. Remove the first term, highest degree term, remove the highest degree term. So there is only constant. Write this constant in the numerator. Write in the numerator like this one, a by 2x minus 3, b by x minus 5, c by x plus 1. For this one, this is the partial fraction. For this is the partial fraction. For x plus 1, c by x plus 1 is the partial fraction, where capital A, B, C are the constants. This is the first point. Every linear factor, there exists a partial fraction like this one. Again, this is a repeated linear. This factor repeated 2 times. This factor repeated 3 times. So partial fractions a by 2x minus 3, b by 2x minus 3 whole square, c by x minus 1, d by x minus 5 whole square, e by x minus 5 whole cube. For this one, there are 2 partial fractions. One is power 1, one is power 2. Next, x minus 5 whole cube. This linear factor repeated 3 times. So, corresponding to this one, a by whole power 1, b by x minus 5 whole square, c by x minus 5 whole cube. So, these the 2 conditions, non-repeated linear, repeated linear. Another 2 points. suppose g of x has 2x square minus 3x plus 4 x square plus 7, 2x square minus 3x plus 4 whole square x square plus 7 whole square. This is the non-repeated quadratic factor. Start with x square. So this is called these two are called quadratic factors. These two are also called quadratic factors, but they are repeated. This factor repeated 2 times. This factor repeated 2 times. So these two are called repeated linear factors, quadratic factors. Repeated quadratic factors. For this ax square plus bx plus c, remove the highest power. This is the numerator value. X term constant, x term constant, x term constant. For example, for this one ax plus by 2x square minus 3x plus 4 corresponding to this quadratic factor. This is the first fraction. This is also second degree quadratic. So corresponding to this one cx plus d by x square plus 7 corresponding to this one, this is the first fraction. Corresponding to this one, this is the first fraction. Next, these two are the repeated quadratic factors. For this one, repeated 2 times, ax plus b by whole power 1, cx plus d by 2x square minus 3x plus 4 whole square. So corresponding to this factor, there are 2 partial fractions, power 1 and power 2. According to this one, ex plus f by x square plus 7 whole power 1, gx plus h by x square plus 7 whole square. So these 4 are the more important points: linear, repeated linear, quadratic, repeated quadratic. So we solve the problems, 90% problem partial fractions. Last step only the integration part. Write down integral 1 by x plus 1 x plus 2 dx. First split into partial fractions. Write down. Consider 1 by x plus 1 x plus 2. Consider without integration symbol. See on the board. These two are the linear. So corresponding to this one, a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2, b by x plus 2. Take LCM. X plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to x plus 1. Take LCM on both sides. X plus 1 cancel. A into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 cancel. x plus 1. So 1 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. First we calculate a value. For a value, substitute x equal to minus 1. X value minus 1. We get a value. Put x value minus 2. We get b value. Write down. Put x equal to minus 1. 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0. 0 into something equal 0. So 1 equal to a. 1 equal to a. Put x equal to minus 2. 1 equal to minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. 1 equal to minus b. B value minus 1. A value 1. B value minus 1. Dx. A value is 1. B value is minus 1. Dx. A by x plus 1. B by x minus 1. Last step. Listen. This is in the form of integral of 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 plus constant ఏదున్నా సరే దాని అసలు వదిలేసేయండి. ప్లస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఆర్ మైనస్ కాన్స్టెంట్, రిమూవ్ దట్ టర్మ్. యూ రైట్ ఓన్లీ coefficient of x must be right in the denominator. Coefficient of x must be right in the denominator. So integral of 1 by x log mod x plus 1 minus integral of 1 by x log mod x plus 2 plus c log mod